Hello and welcome to a new project. If you like the intro of this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy watching more tutorials, subscribe to my channel. I used 3 t-shirts for this project, but depending on the size you want to make and the colors you want to use, you can also get along with 2. With the help of an old sweatshirt, I'm tracing the pattern of the hoodie. To create the dinosaur scales, I'm making 2 different sizes of triangles. I wanted the scales to be yellow, so I cut open the seams of the shirt. And with double folded fabric, I'm cutting along my pattern. I found this really cool fabric. It is optional, but I think it looks very cool for this project. It's a little bit foamy and it's very stable. As this is part of the scales, I'm cutting a long stripe. Now it's time to put the 2 pieces together. Of course, right side facing right side. I will now sew along the triangle shapes, putting the 2 stripes together. Cutting up the excess of the fabric will allow the edges to pop out easier. Now that I have everything, it's time to cut out the color. Do not follow this instruction if you want to get the same result as in the video. Instead of cutting a round shape, you will want to cut a triangle shape. And because I didn't do that in the first place, I had to do everything in pieces. So this will be the shape that you want to cut out. Attaching the hoodie is really easy. You just want to make sure you find the middle of the back piece. To align it correctly, of course. Now it's time to attach the scales. bear in mind that you also have a collar. You have to be careful about it. You don't want to catch it. To give the scales a 3D effect, I use some pillow filling. And now for the curvy part, to attach it correctly, I use the shape of the backrest. And now and then putting in some filling. I wanted to make sure the filling stays in the right place, so I sew along this line. This part is completely optional, but I wanted to make the back look very nice, so I made a lining for it. It would have been easier to do this from the beginning, to cut out the pattern, but if you didn't, if you forgot, then you can just lay down your piece and follow the line. And now all you have to do is sew around, and don't forget to leave a little piece of opening so you can turn your piece inside out. And we're finally done!